Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. Welcome to my Christmas decorating series. I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. In the last video, you guys got to watch me decorate this beautiful tree and mantle. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Today, I'm going to kind of do a few different things because I had a bunch of decor totes out here in the main living area and I needed to start getting them out of my space. And the only way I knew how to do that was to start placing decor. So I'm going to do a little bit of kitchen decorating. So you guys are going to get to see me put up my village today. And I'm going to do some dining room decor. And we're going to finish the family room off. And we're just going to add little touches here and there. I'm not done. I still have more to do, a little bit more, not a ton. But today I take care of the bulk of it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to just run through the clips with you guys of what I did over the last couple of days. And then we're going to move into real time where we're going to add some touches and then I'll meet you guys back here. Enjoy!
I've never cared much for
boxes that house the villages were taking up a ton of room, so I wanted to get those out of the way on this day. And also the grandkids were coming over on this evening and I wanted them to see it all set up and they loved it. So we're taking care of that first. This is the first time I've done a Christmas village in many, many years. My first Christmas village was purchased at Sears. Sears always had the best Christmas decor back in the day and it was always very affordable and made very well. It became very overwhelming for several years, and one day I just decided I wouldn't do it anymore. Until today. The fun thing about setting up a village is adding to it year after year. Each time you set it up, you get inspiration for the following year. And after Christmas is the best time to shop for those items. This is on my to-do list for next year. Add more village items. I want lampposts and people and a village Christmas tree, benches and holly and all of the things. I'd like to set up the village over the refrigerator as the town square, so that'll be super fun. I think setting up a Christmas village is like adult play. It really brings out the child in you, no matter your age.
Halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. Blazing Yule before us, fa la 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus, fa la 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 la. Follow me in merry measure, fa la 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 la. While I tell of Yuletide treasure, fa la la. Passes, fa la 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 la.
I'm really excited to add to my village for next year. Let me know in the comments if you create a village in your home, and if so, where do you buy your items? I'd love to know where I can get some fun stuff for next year. I'm creating a simple centerpiece on my dining table. I wanted to try to carry the theme from above the cabinets down into this area. Now, I did buy these trees from Hobby Lobby. I purchased them when I bought what I thought I wanted on my tree before breaking up with Hobby Lobby. And you know what? I love these trees. I want more. They are well made and very well priced. I found this beautiful Nativity at Home Goods this year. It was well priced and so beautiful. I wanted it to be the centerpiece in this area, so I chose not to add any other decor to it. I think it is so beautiful. Over on the other table, it was a great spot to add those beautiful berries that I had picked up for the fall that I said I wanted to transition into Christmas, and also add a touch of Noel. We're going to add a bowl of pomegranates here on the coffee table. We're going to add a bell with some blue ribbons, and we're going to add a beautiful Christmas candle. And then we're going to leave the rest of the decor, and I think that it turns out so beautiful. Bed Bath & Beyond Home opened here. So on this day, I picked up these 2 blankets. I saw them and I knew they would be perfect for this room. I also got some really great stuff for outside, so now I'm excited to decorate out there. Ernie also got some garland hung on the chandelier in the family room, and then also in the dining room, which you guys will see here in just a second. And then I'll give you an overall of everything, the whole room, and how beautiful it turns out. But look at that. I love that. Anyways, I'm also going to be adding adding some ribbon to a few of the pictures in the family room as a final touch in there. It was something that they would do back in the olden days because they didn't have access to decor like we do, so they would just add ribbons to their pictures for a festive touch, and I wanted to follow that trend. The last thing I wanted to do was get this little area with a ribbon and my 2 Christmas trees that I bought last year and get a beautiful wreath put on my oven range hood. And then I'm going to leave you guys with some beautiful shots of how everything turned out to some beautiful music. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And thank you so much for staying till the end as usual, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.